What is up, my dudes? And that one girl wants to see some hoodlums do some hoodlum things. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring the bell, you'll know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on our Carl communicator or save some money on some sweet Beyond Riders gear or Kemimoto gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-goodness like these cool guys here? Boom! Then you should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link to a video explaining what I do with your money. Get it? Got it? Cool. Let's move on. Alright guys, so today we are in the fabulous Vegas, New Hampshire, meth capital of the world, why not? And we are going to be heading over to Manchester Harley to check out, I think they're called the 603 Boys. I will definitely double check later on. They do stunts on Harleys, so we definitely want to check that out, see what they're doing, see what they bring to the party. I know these guys have been around for a while and they do some really awesome stuff. Dave is a huge fan of them, and we're actually heading over to meet up with Dave right now. We're shooting over to the Friendly Toast, we're going to get some breakfast, and then we're going to do a little bit of riding before we head over and check out the stunt show at Manchester Harley. So let's get a little further down the road, let's snag Dave, and let's get this done, shall we? So I'm the type of person where I'm either really early or really late, and I try and be really early. It's actually not common for me to be late. And today I'm kind of happy because I am definitely early. For some reason, the last few meetups I've had with Dave, I definitely ended up being like late. So kind of nailing this one today. And there's a Friendly Toast. If you're ever in like the New England area, I know they have some in Mass, and I mean they're from New Hampshire, and you get a chance to get some Friendly Toast, do it up. This place is awesome. So we just finished up breakfast at the Friendly Toast. I forgot to record. Every time we go in there, it's just a good time. Like, we've gotten to know the people behind the bar, and we're getting breakfast and all that stuff. Who's we? Well, hey, look, Dave's here. Oh boy. So
thanks for sounding excited.
Yay! So we're gonna do some riding. So I've asked Dave to show us what it's like for him to hop on his bike. So I'm gonna hand him my phone so he can actually hop on the bike, get mounted up, all that stuff, and you can see what it's like for him to ride his Road King. So let's check that out. All right, one last look at Friendly Toast, and we're heading out. That group is called the 603 Boys. Dave has confirmed it for me. You're not going to hear Dave in the mic or in the camera this time because I don't have that set up on this helmet, but I'll work on it. On the bright side, that means we can talk all kinds of shit about Dave and he can't do anything about it. He's like flipping me off in the mirror right now. So we made it to Manchester Harley. This place is packed and there's a ton of stuff going on. A lot of sick looking bikes. But yeah, so it's the vertical 603 Boys. We're gonna be checking them out soon. I think they start at noon. But yeah, let's go look at some bikes and some of the stuff going on over here and whatever Dave's doing. And yeah, let's do it.
All right, we're rolling out of here and trying not to murder people on the way. The turnout for this is absolutely insane, and you're getting like every type of bike here too. There's like sport bikes, there's little mini bikes, pit bikes, dirt bikes, whatever, name it, it's here. This was a sweet turnout. All right, if traffic ever starts moving, we're probably gonna go get a beer, so hang with us. We may end up down at 603, not sure yet, we'll figure it out when we get there. Oh, what's up 603? We missed you. I love this place. Looks like they've got a little damage to the sign. 603, come on, fix your stuff. You sure? Hell yeah.
So it's called the Ecto 9. It's their Ghostbusters beer. Let's see how that goes. It's all right. It's all right. This is the summer session. So let's see how that goes. It's more of an IPA. I think I'm ready to go back to the Ecto 9 already. So this is the one that I always come here for, and this is the apple lager. If you're ever in New Hampshire and you're at 603, this is the one to get. Yeah. Last new one, Smoketoberfest. It's supposed to have a nice smoky flavor to it. Got a good body. Let's find out. Yeah, I definitely taste like burnt wood, but in a good way. I like this. I like this a lot.
How are you recording, dude?
Alright, this is the Ecto 9. I already had a sip so I can tell you how it tastes, but I'm going to drink again in front of everybody.
Act like a surprise.
Whoa! It's not bad. I'll say it's better than what I think Ben made it sound like, but I am a big fan of sours, so there you go. Next up, what the hell did I get? The Helles Lager. Haven't had this yet, so I'll clean my palate for that. That's a solid, crisp lager. I'd say it's got a little bit of sweet note to it. Good summer beer, honestly. That'll be a good one for when it's like sweaty balls hot out. Definitely want to hit that up. Next one, I got the 1206 Dubel. You can see it's a little clean kept, which is good. It's got a nice smell to it. Almost like a barley wine-ish kind of taste to it, but like beer-wise, if that makes sense. It's really good. More like a Belgium-style beer, so not too shabby.
What's your pick out of the four? Oh, you haven't had the fourth one yet.
On the fourth one, see, Ben's already
Jumping to the
getting
end.
a little too excited about this. Is the mule. The apple, what the hell do they call it? The apple mule is actually a direct pour out of the canister, so it's good.
It's supposed to be like a Moscow Mule almost.
It is actually very much like a Moscow Mule with the apple. I'll say, because the mule's kind of not really a beer, even though this I'd say right now the mule is my favorite out of the four. But legit, I'd go with the lager out of the four true beers. Yeah.
All right, we peeled off from Dave. He is heading home, and so are we. I actually forgot to put my second camera back on the stand, so one single camera for sign-off. Hey, I hope you guys had a good time. I hope you enjoyed it and came, hung out with us, enjoyed the Vertical 603 boys, because, man, that was some awesome riding. I am impressed. They did a great job. They entertained the crowd. Very cool. If you guys are watching, very cool. Totally dug it. Aside from that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who's like, I'd love to see someone who could wheelie a road glide. It was right there, man. Totally right there. And I will see you all on the flip side.